how to make Uber Eats driver account. So there is Uber app and there is a separate app, Uber driver. There is Uber Eats app, but there is no separate Uber Eats driver app, because to create Uber Eats driver account, you just go through the same Uber driver app and create an account through here. So just basically just sign up through here, and then you need to complete all the requirements. You need to verify, you need to upload your driver license, just go through the steps. And then the thing is, like inside of the Uber driver app, you will have the opt-in to also accept Uber Eats requests. So if Uber Eats is available in your city, in addition to Uber driver, you can opt in to receive delivery requests through the same app used to accept trip requests. And this option can help you keep earning if ride requests are low. And click the link below to start receiving delivery requests. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right where you see trip planner. Tag the preferences icon at the bottom right of the trip planner. Make sure it says on under deliveries. If it says off, tap deliveries to turn the request, tap save. So this is how you basically enable Uber Eats a driver account, and that's how you also opt in to receive kind of Uber Eats trip requests. So that's just what it is. That's what you have, and that's how you create Uber Eats account.